Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I've got another TEMU mold I'm going to try. So this one I'm going to do, I'm going to do the chameleon powders again. And I'm going to do it like I did that water drop box, Hershey's Kisses box, whatever. I'm going to turn this inside out, and it's a pain in the behind to turn inside out. Okay, I'm going to turn it inside out. Then I'm going to do the chameleon powders on this part that will be the inside. And there is a dog hair again. Okay, I got that one. Got it, I got it. Anyway, I'm going to do the chameleon powders on the inside. There's his dog hair again. You would think he was a cat. His hair is so fine when you try to get it off something. Oh my goodness. I give up, okay? Anyway, I'm going to dust this inside with chameleon powder. I don't know which one yet. But let's decide. My mica powder dusting brush. Okay. Could be a pretty purple. This one's that green gold that I love so much. I think I'm going to do this one. I don't know what color it is. Galaxy. It's Galaxy. Not sure how I read that, but I did. So the brushing it on part, this ought to be easy. The turning it back right side out will be hard. Okay, this is the one that is got a brown hue when you're brushing it on. Okay. Sorry, I get so quiet, y'all. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep on keeping on. Now I'm gonna do the bottom as well. Alright, so I'm just going to keep doing this and I'll be back when it's done. If I can stop. Okay. I've cleaned up most everywhere I could. Alright. Turning it back inside out will be no fun, telling you. So since it's got kind of a triangle shape, I'm gonna try not to touch it with your fingers as it turns inside out is really the hard part. So as you can see, your thumbs get caught in there like nobody's business. Okay. So did the top. Okay, it actually looks like it did pretty good, although it did get onto the what'll be the outside. But I'm gonna mix up some black resin. No, I'm not. Oh my gosh, I probably would have done that. I'm gonna mix up some clear resin. And then I'll be back. Okay, now I finished mixing. I did the trick where I took a little electric drill and just rested it on the side of the cup while still holding on to it because it vibrates. But that's what helps get the bubbles out. Now, as you can see, there are still some little bitty minute micro bubbles, but we're gonna ignore that for now. Um, 6 ounces, that's what I... hat or something. Okay, it looks like it might have been a little bit more than I needed, but that's okay. I'm going to stop just before it domes over. Now I got that one where it won't come back out. Okay, there it did. Alright. A little bubble right there. And a little bubble right there. Come on. Come on. Okay, sorry y'all. Oh, I know a lot of y'all suffer from nerve pain. I had a stroke about 6 years ago, and I have had nerve pain ever since. And I have it, unfortunately, in my face. So every once in a while, we'll just put you down. Oh. It can be in around my eye socket. It can be around my mouth or nose. It can even be in the temple of my skull. When it first started, or when I first had the stroke and came home, I used to describe it as, it felt like somebody was poking me with a cattle prod. Exactly what it felt like. It felt like white hot lightning. Electricity being run through your... And it still will occasionally. But now it feels like somebody is pulling on my skin, on my face. And I mean pulling hard. Oh. But anyway. Alright, I'm just going to put this on my drying rack. I'm just trying to see how full it is. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to put this on my drying rack. And we'll see how it looks tomorrow. Super excited about this one, y'all. Got my water standing by. Does have a sharp edge, and you know I can feel the cut coming on. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. All right. Luckily, this mold is pretty flexible. Although you have to be an acrobat to sneak peek. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay. I don't even know what to say. Oh my gosh. Oh, I had my acrylic paint pens all ready. I was gonna do a little gold. I'm not doing anything. Wow. Okay, this is the Let's Resin Chameleon powders, and it's the Galaxy one that turns out really like purpley blue when you put black behind it. Oh, so sweet. It is a beautiful rose goldy color. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm crazy. I love that. That is so gorgeous. Oh, wow. When it was setting just in the mold, ready to demold, I was like, that's all I could see. That and the mold through it. So I was kind of disappointed. I wanted it to be pretty. But I never expected it to be that oh. to still see that shiny, sorry y'all, my voice is cracking, that shiny clear resin with that color. It's beautiful. Okay. Now I don't even know what I was going to say. This is a TEMU mold. This is a TEMU mold. I do have a 30% off coupon for first time buyers listed below. Oh man. Sorry. I also have an affiliate link listed below that if you buy anything through there, I'll get a little bit of kickback. I do also have an Amazon storefront that I do get a little kickback from as well. There I do have listed the Let's Resin Chameleon powders. I'm speechless. Speechless. That is the most gorgeous thing I've ever made. Of course, I've thought that about nearly everything here lately, but that is really pretty. Really pretty. Wow. I have added a Let's Thank button. Super thanks. Oh my goodness. I've added a super thanks button to the below the video, as well as the buy me a coffee link listed in the description box. And I also have an Amazon wish list there, if you're interested in any of those. Y'all, this is just the beginning. Oh, I know I said I'm speechless, and I just kept saying that it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Alright, seriously, I'm gonna quit talking now. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.